In this video, I'll guide you through how to add a phone number to your Steam account. Adding a phone number is one of the easiest ways to improve your account's security and make account recovery much simpler if you ever lose access. It also helps with identity verification for certain Steam features. Let's walk through the entire process together. To begin, open the Steam application on your computer. If you haven't installed it yet, download the latest version from the official Steam website and complete the installation before continuing. Once Steam is open, click the Login button if you're not already signed in. Enter your account name and password, making sure everything is typed correctly, and then click Sign In. After a successful login, you'll be taken to your Steam homepage. Now that you're signed in, look toward the upper right corner of the Steam window where your profile name appears. Click on your profile name to open the drop-down menu. From the available options, select Account Details. This section contains important information related to your Steam account, including your payment methods, security settings, and contact information. Once you're on the Account Details page, scroll down until you find the Contact Info section. Here you'll see the option to add a phone number. Click this option to begin the setup process. Steam will now ask you to enter the phone number that you want to associate with your account. Carefully type your phone number, making sure it's correct before moving forward. Taking a moment to verify the number now can help you avoid problems receiving verification messages later. Once you're satisfied that everything is accurate, click the Next button to continue. Steam will then send a verification code to the phone number you entered using a text message. Keep your phone nearby and wait for the message to arrive. Delivery is usually quick, but it may take a few moments depending on your mobile carrier. After you receive the verification code, return to Steam and enter the code into the verification field exactly as it appears in the text message. This confirms that you have access to the phone number and securely links it to your Steam account. After entering the code, simply follow any remaining on-screen instructions to complete the process. Steam may display a confirmation message or ask you to verify a final detail before saving the change. Once you've finished these prompts, your phone number will be successfully added to your account. By completing this setup, you've added an extra layer of security that can make it much easier to recover your account if you ever run into login issues. It also helps protect your account from unauthorized access and supports additional Steam security features. And that's it. You've successfully added a phone number to your Steam account. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful. Enjoy your gaming, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.